I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study better in math. First, focus on truly understanding the underlying concepts rather than just memorizing formulas. This deep comprehension will help you apply knowledge to new problems. Next, consistently review material from previous lessons to ensure your foundational understanding remains solid. Finally, establish a regular study schedule, even if it's just for 20 to 30 minutes each day, to keep your skills sharp and prevent cramming. When practicing, don't just read solutions. Actively work through example problems step by step on your own. This hands-on approach is crucial for developing problem-solving abilities. Make sure to tackle a wide variety of problem types, not just the ones you find easy, to build comprehensive skills. A great technique is to explain your solutions aloud, as if teaching someone else, which helps solidify your understanding and identify any gaps in your logic. Active participation in class is vital. Ask questions whenever something is unclear. Your questions often help others too. Consider forming a study group with peers to discuss challenging problems and share different approaches. Explaining concepts to each other can deepen everyone's understanding. If you're struggling with a particular topic, don't hesitate to seek help from your teacher or a tutor. Early intervention can prevent small difficulties from becoming major obstacles. Regularly reviewing past tests and quizzes is an excellent way to identify common mistakes and understand areas needing more attention. It helps you recognize patterns in your errors. Cultivate a positive mindset. View challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than insurmountable barriers. Remember, persistence is key in mastering math. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. A good pair of socks can make any study session more comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.